Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option or where to review Braille keyboard gestures in Motorola Edge 15 Neo phone. Where to look for our Braille options and Braille keyboards gestures tutorials. So we first need to open settings, then accessibility, next TalkBack, then settings, and here we have our Braille section. So Braille keyboard is here, and at the top we have our reminder how to use Braille keyboard, and we have also review all gestures option. So as you can see, we have options here, and we have our gestures, reminders, tutorials, etc. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.